am to day 27. It's a little bit different because I'm doing a voiceover for this one, and it's sort of quite a serious one, really. And the story is pets are for life and not just for Christmas. And I just felt it ought to be said. I know it's like so cute to give somebody a kitten or a puppy for Christmas, but if it's not asked for and it hasn't been prepared for, then it's not a good idea to give somebody a pet like that for Christmas, because you need to commit to life for that animal. And there's far too many people take on dogs and cats, even gerbils, hamsters, fish, and they don't realise how much commitment it is. There was a lot of people during COVID who bought dogs so that they could escape the not going outside rule and just take dogs out for their walk. And unfortunately, when they all gone back to work, the poor dogs have a completely different life or got took to shelters. And as you know, I am a great animal lover, and I think this is, I just wanted to say it, but I'm not going to dwell. So our little furry babies are a bigger part of Christmas as our children. For some people whose children have grown up, left home, they are our fur babies. And obviously Snowbell was mine, and those of you who will remember, she used to join in quite a few of the videos. Well, she used to take over the videos, actually. not just join in. And I think you'll agree she was a bit of a star and a bit of a diva. She was so funny. But yeah, she was 17 when she finally left us, and she had a very, very good life. She was spoilt rotten, and that's how they should be. Spoilt rotten, why not? So I'm just doing a very quick page to dedicate to all our fur babies, who sometimes are our only companions. And they're such a comfort. And I just wanted to acknowledge that in these sort of after Christmas days. So I've got my little card that I made for one of the journal pages earlier on. And I thought I'll use that. And I'm just going to make a tag to put inside very quickly. And then I'll do some journaling on the back. So I hope this isn't too upsetting, or it's just my opinion, okay? Don't stress. I just have an opinion. It might not be your opinion, but I just wanted to put it out there. A pet is for life, not just for Christmas. As they are a responsibility, and they will change your life. Usually for the better. But they are a commitment. One day I may get another cat, or I may get a dog. I don't know. At the moment, not feeling the need to replace my Snowbell. I'm going to put some photos up here just so that you remember her. So here she is in one of my drawers for paper, and curled up on the desk. And of course trying to fit into the smallest of boxes. I think that's a cat thing. Bless them. So let's finish this tag off and get it into the pocket. I'm just waiting for the glue to dry. I need to put my number on, which is number 27, and I'm going to use this, whatever this is. I think it's a pudding. Now grab my colours, and we're going to just write 27 since I still can't find my numbers. I don't know where they are. Ooh, big chunky 27. Matches the colour, so at least that's something. I have no idea where all the numbers have gone. It's a bit weird. But hey, we got up to 24 without losing any, so I think that's a bit of a bonus. Okay, so we'll pop our tag in, and I will do some writing on the back and add to my sentiment. So not your usual journal page today. Just something I wanted to put in, as I thought it was quite apt for this time of the year. Probably a bit more apt before Christmas, to be honest, but what do I want now? I want something on the top. So I'm just having a little look and deciding what I'm going to put on. A little tab to pull it up out of the pocket. There we go. That will do nicely. You can make your tabs out of anything. I'm still trying to use up as many scraps as I can. Because, you know, they'll all be back out next year. Nope, that doesn't work. And I'll probably find more during the year at the car boot. So I'll just probably end up with more. There we go. I think that now matches quite nicely on my previous page, which was squares. And it finally fits. So there we go. Pets are for life, not just for Christmas. I hope you agree with me.